Hello friends, this is Ramana. Today I will show demo on how to rename the file in a folder using with and without variables by using script task in SSIS. So we know there is one task called file system task. By using this file system task, rename is one of the operations. If you want to configure, it is one of the operations. Rename the file. So by using this rename file operation, we can able to rename the file of in a particular folder. But today I will show in this demo by using script task how to rename the file. So here what I want to rename here is this is employee data CSV file. So I want to rename this file. So for that I am taking this data, this employee, copying this data here. Go to script task, edit script. There you need to write one line of code to rename the file. For which name I want to rename here is I want to rename this employee.csv as total employee.csv. This is the existing file name. This is the new file. The window is getting opened. So whenever you want to deal with files and folders, write name is called system.io is the namespace. Here directly you write one line code that is file.move. By using file.move, file.move. So it, it has actually it takes two parameters. One is source file name and one is destination file name. For that source file name within double quotes, we just copy the source file. This is the file. Copy this file, paste it, and after that second parameter is here. Second parameter is comma and second parameter destination file name. So my destination file name is this one. So I am copying this and paste within this double quote. Delete the last one and with semicolon. But here you think even though we pasted the source and destination file, it is showing some errors. So whenever you paste one path, source path at the beginning, at the before the double quote starts, you have to mention at symbol. See here, at symbol. When you paste the at symbol, the errors will gone. There are no errors now. Now I am saving this code, saving this entire line of this code. Close it and OK. Just paste this single line code. I am mentioning here as without variable. Without variable. So if I run the package now, this will change it to employee data to total employee data.csv. So I am going to run the package now. So package ran successfully. Go and check your folder. See here, total employee data. This is if you again you run the package will fail because the name is already changed here. See here, the name is already changed. For that, you need to write one single line, two lines of code. If file exists only, you can change the name. File.exists. Then we can braces, go to this code and paste that. Already wrote this. If file exists, if this file apply data file exists, then curly braces, within the curly braces, or open curly braces, copy this entire code, one line of code, paste it here. So if file exists, if this file exists, so file.move, this will file.move method applied in the within curly braces. So this code is applied only if this file exists. So I am saving this one. We have just hard coded this code here, and I am running the package again. Then you need not get any error this time. File is actually, we already changed this employee data to total employee data. So earlier, at the time of the running the second time, it will throw error. Now we cannot get the error because we already mentioned one line of the code. If the file exists only, you can rename the file. Otherwise, you cannot rename the file. So here we don't get any error because we wrote one line of the code on top of the first line. If file exists, and mention your file and entire path here, then within the curly braces, if file exists only, this will applicable. So this is how you need to write without using the variable. Now I will show by using how to change the rename by using the variables. For that, you need to create two variables here. First one is source path. Source path, data type is string, and the path of the file is here. This is the path of the file. Taking this entire path, go to properties and select this entire path. So this is my source path. So I am taking this as a source file, and my destination path is here is target path. Second variable is target path. So I am just changing the name of the file, pasting the same path, and change the name as removing the total just employee.csv. So this is my source path, total employee data.csv. This is my target path, employee.csv. So I am creating two variables. Double click and select those two variables from the read only, source path and target path, and click OK. And now edit script. Now it is opened again. What you need to write here is, you need to declare two variables. Variable here, source path is the variable name. So in the source path, you have to mention Dts.Variables is equal to Dts.Variables is that variables within square brackets and within double quotes. You have to mention your user variable called source path. Source path dot value dot string to dot value dot to string. So this is the first line. This is for source path. I am creating temporary variable, string variable. Now I am copying the same thing and I am creating one more variable for target path. Target path. So here I am this as this path within this Dts variables target path, and Value.String. This is the common for both. So this is the source path. I am creating two variables, two string variables, source path and target path, and mention the source and path and user variables within the Dts variables. Next, what I am doing here is I am pasting the source path in this if file exists. Pasting the source path if file exists. I meant entirely this is hard code earlier. So we want to make it dynamic by creating these two variables. So I am pasting the source path here. So, like that, wherever the source path is there, I am pasting the entire source path here again. And now target path. I am taking this target path and paste it in here. This is source path and this is target path. Earlier we have hard code values by pasting the uh, source path and target path, destination path. Now we make it dynamic by creating two variables, two user variables, and here two local variables, and paste that in the wherever your source path is there, wherever your target path is. Copying this code, close it, click OK. So there is no errors showing. Now running this package, it will again rename the file from total employees to employees. Right now it is only total employed data. So after running this package, the file has again renamed to employed data. See here, employed data. So this is how you need to rename your file by using variables and without variables. Hope this video helps to how to rename your files by using scripters. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you very much.